In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a session on FX Replay. So the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, click on Testing at the very top left, and then here you want to go into Dashboard or Sessions and click on Create Session. Now from here, click on Backtesting Session, and then you'll be able to type in your name. I'm going to name it Test, your initial balance, so I'm going to do 100K over here. You can put in your assets. I'm going to do Bitcoin right now. It's going to drop it down like this, a drop down list. You can select it from here, and then here you also can select a chart layout if you want to. It's optional. I'm not going to do that right now, but of course you're free to do it. And then here you also have to put in your initial date. You can type in it like this, or you could just click on over here. It's going to pop up your calendar, and I'm going to do, for example, from December 1st, and then I'm going to do the end date here, which I'm going to do December 10th. Now when I've done that here, as you can see, you can also see the minimum and the maximum available here, and you can also keep on adding days plus one like this, or adding weeks. Okay, that's also possible. And then you could also auto update end date if you want to, and you can read what this means over here. And then you can just click on create session, and when you do that, your session is going to get created, and you can go ahead and basically start your backtesting journey. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.